This is Business Help back with a new video. In this video, we're going to be covering how to make text appear when you click on the screen and presenting. We're going to use a blank presentation here. We're going to first start by adding our title, which is just going to be Business Help. Add a subtitle. Use animations, because that is what clicking and allowing your text to appear is. It's going to be called your animations right here at the top. So there are three types of animations you got. You have the entrance, which it'll be when you first click as they appear. Emphasis is it'll do some sort of motion after it already has came into the screen. You can see it. And exit is how to get rid of that. So we'll just start with a basic animation here. We'll go here. We'll use appear. On the second one, we'll show a pulse. We show that part. And then we'll also insert an image here, because you can also use animations with images. I'm just going to go ahead and insert my logo here. Okay, now that shows, and we're going to use that right there too. That's what we use. And I'm going to apply an exit. So that one we'll use a float out. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and present. There's two different ways to present. If you don't already know, you can do it from beginning. You can click up here on this button, or you can click right there, the slideshow button. All right, so now Business Help, that would appear right there after I clicked. So now my second animation is going to be, it's going to do something to give a little bit of attention to it when you're talking about it. And my third one is going to be the logo disappearing. Now, these might not be the best uses for all three of these things, but it shows you how to use them. There's many different animations here. But let's say I have the animations in the wrong order. Click here. I can move this animation earlier. So now it's going to be 2. As you can see with this little number right here. But now I'm going to go ahead, move it back to 3. So there's many different ways you can reorder animations, use animations, and make them help your PowerPoint look a lot better, and make it bring emphasis to certain things as the emphasis happens, as well as control the reader's attention. So say I just wanted them to look at Business Help here, I could set it. So I'm just going to delete this animation. All you do is click the number and hit the delete button. I'm going to also add an entrance animation to both of these. All right, so I'm going to show you what that will do. So now, let's just say I want to talk about the title for a little bit. This would be a great spot where I could just, talk about the title for a second or two, bring attention to that. Then reader's attention, I'll shift it over here to their animations. So that way they aren't so overwhelmed with information at once, and they can just process it a lot easier, a lot less going on the screen. And then I can show them this logo, just leave. And that would be all here, and hopefully this video helped you learn how to make slides advance on your click, and how to make just your clicks and use animations. So I hope this video helped, and if you like the video, like always, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Leave any comments or future ideas for videos in the chat.